And so much greatness has still been happening. That means, say, you believe in the devil more than Jesus, because why would I be prospering if I'm serving the devil? Like, good always triumph bad. Always. Always. And from ever since I came on the scene, y'all been saying some shit. And I'm now 5 years in. Literally. Don't know what they're saying, but I would definitely do America's health system over Jamaica. If you've never been to a specific hospital, you have to fill out forms. That's a big if, though. Because if it's an emergency, who has time to think about the proper hospital? We just want to get treated for some shit. When it's an emergency, it's an emergency, bro. And I've had 2 close emergencies to death. That one, and when my liver was inflamed, and I was in Jamaica at that time. And I got treated because, I don't know, ASAP. They put drip on me. And that was in the middle of the night. ASAP. Here, it's like, it's an emergency and I have to be sitting here filling out some long ass fucking forms. Who the fuck got time for this shit, bitch? I'm dying. That's what it's about. So no, I'm good with my Jamaica healthcare system for now, right now. At this point, health is wealth. Now I see why people say health is real wealth. I swear to God, bro. Cause that shit, no. It really depends on the hospital. Not all are like that. I said the one that when me got a 2 ago before I have to go to a private doctor. 2. 1 urgent care for Christ's sakes. And how come I call an ambulance to take me 1 hour for reach? What kind of madness that? At least I'm telling me the truth still. 1 hour? Some of you just sit on your son dead until you're ready. Or until you reach. Madness. But I just gotta sit my ass down. For a while. And I'm telling you that it has been hell. Because I am not used to this. I feel crazy. Now I see why when people get locked up, them go out and majority of them learn them lesson and them no want to go back in. Me, except it's the other way around for me. When me get let out, I go on bad. I'm out. I'm outside. I'm outside when I get out of this mad damn house. When I'm ready and all is well, I'm outside. Me no want to stay in the no more. I was in a car accident and they took forever to get me. Same thing. Like, shit is crazy, bro. So, yeah, that's what happened to me, guys. I was really feeling fucked up. The pain I felt during that shit was... No. I couldn't even walk. But thank God Black Boy was here. That nigga even crashed in the morning. Black Boy crashed in the morning. Trying to get me to the hospital. He drove in another car. I know I'm supposed to get like 2 tickets over here because he passed some red lights. But the good thing is I made it out. And I'm resting. And when it's go time, it's go time. I'm just... Yeah, this year was definitely a learning year though. I sat back and I learned a lot of things and I watched a lot of things. Watched some people. And just learned. And next year is like, you know... Next year, and I'm just telling you right now that next year is going to be the year where I'm releasing a lot of music. And this year only 2 songs. I know, but next year you will have a whole album. I had to delay the album because some shit just weren't right, and I have to make sure that the music is right. I have to make sure that it is fully complete, as in like with the mixes and all that, like it's perfect. And I keep doing songs that beat some songs, so really that's the problem, guys, because I'm working and then I like this song better than that song, so I just change it out. Alright, that's what's happening with the album. I constantly make new music that I want to put. I update the album then. That's what's happening. But I'ma stop. Next year for sure. Next year for sure. Next year you have it early. Just because it was delayed for this year. So I'm gonna give it to you early next year. But I really had to take a step back and just observe this year. Only because I have new goals. You know, I have new goals. Right now, I need to reach a couple million US. You know, doing shit that, you know, making moves that can get me there to do what I want to do. Shane, I've been waiting on the song Falling Over You instead. Yo, you know how long that? From 2016. What? That's crazy. I'm gonna redo that song because that song is fire. I still have that song. I'm just gonna redo it though. Update it, like the production and stuff. I know the album is gonna be fire. The album is gonna be fire. It's gonna have the old Shenseea, the Shenseea that you're seeing now, and the Shenseea that you're supposed to expect. That's what's gonna be on the album. And everything happens for a reason. God knows why. That's true. Enjoy your layback time. It's hard, but it's true. I'm trying my best. But really and truly though, guys, thank you so much for sticking by me. Like, I've been through so much shit between last year and this year, and y'all still here supporting me. And yeah, I'm gonna spoil y'all with music next year. Don't worry. I'm gonna spoil y'all. Drop some pictures too. We missed the pictures. Listen, at this point, because I've been out of the gym for such a long time, me can't take a little old woman skin looking, so you're gonna have to give me some time. Let me get my body right, go to the gym, get some abs. No, I'm sick. When you gonna give Roger's sister or brother? Okay, obviously you weren't on the live earlier, so I ain't gonna say nothing. Kenya, I soon come. Kenya, I am coming. Just give me a little bit of time. And when I come, it's going to be a movie. Like, I've already told my team about it, that when I go to Kenya, it's gonna be crazy. I'm looking to lock in some bookings for Kenya. I got a couple offers, but You know, hopefully I'll be there in January. I think after resting for so long, I want to go to Kenya first. Take a long ass trip. Eat some more African food. God damn, that shit tastes so fucking good. Separate and apart from Jamaican food, I think my favorite other culture cuisine is definitely gonna be African food. Only because they season their food so good and their spice is so hot like ours. Or maybe even hotter. I think Kenya, African people really do use a lot of pepper. Hot, spicy shit. So, yeah. But I miss you guys. I missed y'all. And Trinidad doubles. Hell yeah. Dizzy knows I love Trinidadian doubles. Jesus. When I travel to Trinidad, I literally jump out the airport during transit. If I'm in transit and not staying, and I go get doubles and go right back. Yo, I love doubles. Only because it has heavy pepper too. It's like sweet and spicy. But at this point, you must know that I just love spicy food. I love to feel that burn in my stomach. I love to feel the burn when I do. Yeah. I love spicy food. Dinero. Why is Insta update this shit where I'm only seeing people that are starting to follow me right now? I need to see the comments. Miss some pick, you are my ROD. What y'all need to do is go turn on my post notifications for when I post next time. Yeah, go turn on my post notifications. Your fan page has been holding it down for sure. Thank y'all. Y'all need to go follow the Shenyang updates too. That's a fan page that they're spicy over there. They say all the things I want to say, but I cannot say. They say all the things I want to say that I cannot say. I be seeing them in comments, and I'm telling you, like, yo, that fan page, big up on yourself. Y'all literally my leading favorite fan page right now. Y'all be cursing people the fuck out, because sometimes that's what I want to do, but I gotta hold it down. And you know, I got shit to lose, so I can't be going too crazy. But the Shenyang updates, that page, big up on yourself. Y'all want to see Raj? He said that he wanted to see y'all. Where's Raj? I'm gonna go call him, but boy, I'm so afraid of Raj nowadays because, bro, he's getting all grown up and he's in the stage right now where he just talks everything. Let me go look for him. Jesus, let her cook food nicely. Raj, come here. The people on the live want to say hi to you. Huh? No? Why?
No coming.
They want to say hello.
Hello.
Now remember, I said don't chat my business, you know. You hear me? I'm serious. Come, I'm bugging your nose. Clean it up first. Wipe off your face. Wipe off your face. You're bugging your nose, I'm sure. What are you doing? You eating?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I was watching my show downstairs until you called me. I get lonely down there.
In the other nostril. Look in the mirror.
What I do? Alright, I think I got it. That's it?
No, look. You still have a little bit in it.
Oh. Is that it?
You look alright. Come.
Hello.
Here he is, guys. He's so big. Oh my god.
I just turned 6 in Detroit.
Right? It was the best birthday ever. Was it your best birthday?
Yeah.
It was? Though I wasn't there? You know, this is actually the first year I spent your birthday not being there. I've been there since you were born. Since the very first day you were born. I couldn't get to spend his birthday with him, but I made sure to send him somewhere that he was gonna enjoy it with a lot of kids. Got him a party, got him a cake. I sang him happy birthday. See, they missed you. See, he's getting so big that he is.
I'm gonna say good morning to Crown for a moment. Good morning, Crown Teddy Bear.
It's 3:40. It's not even morning no more.
Oh.
But yeah, my boy's getting big.
My school already passed. I forgot I had school today.
No, that's not good.
Because my school ended at 2 o'clock.
So you knew you had school and you didn't go online? Why you do it? They don't like that. The people, you must love school.
I love school.
So why you never go online?
Because I slept for 4 hours because I was very tired last night. I was up at 10 o'clock waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yes.
I slept on the chair.
Yes,
Because I was watching a movie where you just turn off the TV in the middle of the show.
I didn't turn off.
Somebody said school on Sunday. Hey, you like it? Hey, listen. I know from now that my son is gonna be a top L. Because he's a Scorpio. Scorpio males are
I already have
crazy.
a Scorpio chain. I'm going to go back to crowd. Ow, ow, ow.
Listen, I've been locked in this house. I cannot keep up with these days. I just been sleeping, waking.
Wait, let me show you them.
No, wait, no.
Okay.
Sleeping, waking, watching TV. Sleeping, waking, watching TV. Chatting with Raj. I can't even cook.
She can't even drive.
Can't even drive. I just been in the house. So, I've been thinking that
You've been out of the house because we've been at the beach, remember?
that was from a long, long time. Before I was a doctor. You see me tell you about him? Why you talking my business?
I didn't even tell your business. That's not a business.
That is a business. That is part of my business. They saw when you and I were at the beach.
Ow.
Remember I snapped you? And buried you under the sun? So I said at this point, Raj time is out. Goodbye. I'm kicking him out because, yeah.
Hello.
You love my nails? Yeah, they're fire. Though I had them on for a while. But
Well,
here
they are still fire.
I didn't get to post them. I didn't get to post them. They say I should give you a sibling, Raj.
I guess when it's my 7th birthday, I guess I should have a brother now. I already have a sister, now I have a brother. I don't need another sibling.
There's something in your nose.
What?
Go look in the mirror.
Which one? Which one?
I don't know. Look, you see it. At 1 year old, 7-year-old, I get sibling, brother. You try to stick with your cousins and your sister, cause
Because I already have a sibling, 2 siblings, 2 girl siblings.
where you get the next girl sibling from?
From Destiny, she's my sibling. She keeps on fighting me out,
She's your cousin.
but she keeps on hitting me. Because Destiny keeps on holding me so I can't fight back, so I have to kick her in the face to push her back.
Yeah, no, you shouldn't kick nobody.
But
Especially girls. You see, the life don't like that. Telling people that he's not supposed to do that. Yeah, read. You go on.